Hello. So, what we have here is a Seagate 4 terabyte Iron Wolf. However, it's not just one, but not only three, but actually five. So, I already unboxed this and we'll unbox all of these later, but I just bought this from a different source, and this one comes with a SATA cable. But these ones, just so you can see the unboxing itself, it doesn't come with any. It's just box like this. You have something like this, wherein inside you will see the hard disk, and it's even slashed off, kinda. But I guess it's just due to the transportation, and it's only up here, so I guess it's fine. Everything is now laid out. I have here 5 4 terabyte hard drive. One will be used as a parity. So I have 16 terabytes of effective storage. I'll be using them for several stuff, but will most likely be just for backup and media server. I have here an Arctic P12 Slim that I'll be using to replace the included Johnsonville fan. That is way too loud for me. And I have here, instead of relying in a SATA cable, because I don't actually I have enough extras for each of them, but I might just use this because I've seen it in many tutorials and it's a good way of organizing things better. And it's just one cable and tied in together, so it just makes sense. And another is just so my USB-C header will be usable to this USB connection inside the motherboard. So let's start with the top. So this time I've pre-inserted this USB-A to C. But apparently I won't be using it. What I need is a USB-C header. So I was able to find this adapter. So USB-A to USB-C header. As for that, it's done. However, you still have to think about this. So the nice thing about this is that this has labels, so you know which one is P1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and whatsoever. And we need to reroute these from here to towards under. So it's a bit difficult to put the cables from where I showed earlier. So instead I'll start here because it's a bit easier. Okay, again, I won't be using this, so I'll be dislodging this actually. So let us do that. So this one's cool, but here's my problem. The SATA, at least it has some space, so I can put them fine. SATA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are labeled there themselves, so that makes it easier. So I just need P1 and P2. So P6 will be not get populated. Okay, we need 3 and 4. And 5. So P6 will be isolated and won't be used at all actually, even if whatever happens. So again, this is a bit tricky because I need to put it here. So I wasn't able to take a video of how I did things, but I was able to manage to put things together, and it's now working at the top. So this is how it looks like before I close it. I actually forgot about this, which contains all the handles for the hard drives, which is something I have to do. So I'll move this out first. So I guess the way, if I have to guess how this is installed, is that you put it in here. I'm not actually screwing it in all throughout. And another, just so it's guided, you need to put another set here, just so it will slide through in. And again, you secure them using the same screws. Now, I'm not sure if you need to install these ones even here, just so it's a bit more secure, or can slide there better. And actually, you can use your hands for these ones. Yeah, actually, kinda is toolless, huh? Because you can just use your fingers. Okay, I got the wrong side. Remember, this one that goes in, that's not where the handle should be. Okay, so it's also measured. You can't actually put this in the wrong side because it won't have enough space. Which makes sense, right? Makes sense. So here it's exact. So yeah, kinda cool. It's not as unintuitive as I thought it is, but to me, this does not scream confidence to me. Okay, so it goes like this. Yeah, okay. This does not feel secure to me. Doesn't feel good, but nonetheless, it's fine. For as long as you're able to put them in. Now, the question whether it's easy to pull or not. Okay, this might snap off someday. Okay, I won't try. No, I trust that these are discs. Won't get messed up. So again, you don't require everything. You just need at least two for each side, and you'll be fine. And yes, I did not even line up the logos that well. So there you go. It's now done. So I have here a halo. It's a fan from my Hyper 212 Black Edition. I'm not using this because I replaced it with RGB fans. But anyway, I have it here because without this, my CPU runs hot around 60 degrees. And around that, the small fan gets a bit notable. Some people will definitely find it annoying, but for me, it's fine. And where I work, I'm just a few feet away. And I can hear it. But I don't want that. It's kind of like a higher pitch where it gets through your earphones and stuff. So I like that. So I have it here. Not running 100% of speed, by the way, because it relies on the voltage of my extension here. And no, a mess. I'll fix that once I have the UPS. But anyway, this is more than enough for what I intend to do, and which is to just tame the CPU cooler down. So anyway, apart from that, I have here foam underneath because without this, I will be able to hear the hard disk often spinning, and I have 5 here, so that's definitely a bit on the louder side, a bit annoying. And last but not the least, I replaced the fan at the back, which probably what you can hear, it's not this. Again, this is not running full speed. I'm pretty sure this runs around 50% or less on its current config. I'm not sure how fast, but yeah. Anyway, I replaced the fan at the back with a P12 Slim. And I also use a low noise adapter from Noctua. They actually don't recommend that you use it in other products other than theirs, but yeah, I'm using it. So it definitely gave some improvements, but not a lot. I can say it's around 30 to 40% noise reduction, not 50% like I wanted to. Because, dude, the hard disks here don't even run more than 50 degrees Celsius. And yes, it's summer here where I live. So 50 degrees. You might say running 40 degrees for a hard disk is hot, and I agree, but at least even when they're under load, they don't run hot. So I'm fine with it. And of course, I want this to be less louder. Even running at 30% speed is more than enough for me because I just need to move a bit air. Not a lot. Again, they don't run hot. So, yeah. But I can control it except via low noise adapters because my fan is connected in non-PWM. So, yeah. Anyway, so as for the noise, okay, this is how it sounds from where I'm at. Now, this is how it sounds from kind of near. Obviously, this doesn't sound anything. But at the back, especially here, yeah, it's kind of noisy. But, of course, it's near. From where I'm at, I'm fine how it sounds. Of course, my computers are generally more quiet than this. But I'm fine. Probably someday, but I'm not too keen. So that's it. As for how I'm using it, the things that I've done, problems I've encountered, it will be on a separate video for sure. So as for the upgrade, this is its final form, and that's it.